Hey there, creators! Ever wondered how a simple thumbnail can make a huge difference in the success of your videos? Well, today we're diving deep into the world of creating click-worthy YouTube thumbnails that will boost your click-through rate like never before. Welcome back to the channel, where we're all about helping you grow your online presence. One of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is a captivating thumbnail that grabs viewers' attention and entices them to click. Stick around as we uncover the secrets to crafting thumbnails that drive views and engagement on your channel. Let's face it, standing out on a platform as crowded as YouTube can be tough. The challenge for creators lies in designing thumbnails that not only reflect the content of the video but also stand out amongst a sea of competing videos. It's a fine line to walk, but fear not, we're here to guide you through it. So, what makes a successful YouTube thumbnail? It's all about the trifecta of color, text, and imagery. Colors that pop, concise and intriguing text, and captivating imagery are key elements that can capture viewers' attention in a split second. We'll break down each of these components and show you how to leverage them to create thumbnails that demand clicks. Visit FOT.com. Choose the YouTube thumbnail. You will get into the graphic design page with a blank YouTube canvas. You can choose to start with a blank canvas or use a pre-made template that fits your theme. Click on the canvas to start customizing your thumbnail. Select a color scheme that aligns with your brand and the emotions you want to evoke. Use complementary colors to make elements stand out. Click on the background and choose a solid color or gradient that contrasts well with your text and images. Ensure the colors you choose are consistent with your video content and overall channel branding. Click on the text button on the left sidebar to add a heading or subheading. Choose bold and readable fonts. Photo offers a variety of fonts. Select one that is clear and stands out. Ensure the text color contrasts with the background for readability. Use shadows or outlines to make the text pop. Position the text strategically. Avoid cluttering. Place text in areas where it doesn't overlap important imagery. Establish a visual hierarchy by varying the size and weight of your text. The most important information should be the most prominent. Click on Import to upload your images. Use high-quality images that are relevant to your video content. Use Photo's cutout tool to remove backgrounds from images or add overlays to integrate images seamlessly. Enhance your thumbnail with relevant icons and stickers from Photo's library. Arrange images so they draw attention but don't overwhelm the text. Use the rule of thirds to position key elements. Ensure the imagery aligns with your video content and overall aesthetic. Avoid using too many different styles. Apply filters or effects to harmonize the elements. Photo provides various filters that can add a cohesive look to your thumbnail. Zoom out to see the thumbnail at a smaller size, as it will appear on YouTube. Ensure all elements are clear and legible. Once satisfied, click on the Save button. Choose the appropriate file format, usually JPEG or PNG, and resolution. By focusing on the trifecta of color, text, and imagery, and using photographic designer's tools effectively, you can create compelling YouTube thumbnails that attract viewers and enhance your channel's appeal. To wrap things up, let's recap the essential tips for creating a click-worthy YouTube thumbnail. Remember to experiment with different designs, test them out, and see what resonates best with your audience. The key is to keep refining and optimizing your thumbnails to improve your click-through rate continuously. For quick testing, Photo's YouTube thumbnail templates are a good choice. You've got this. Now it's your turn. Take the tips we've shared today and apply them to your own thumbnails. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest content. Thanks for watching, and happy thumbnail designing!